Hi, I'm Kerry Hardy, and I'm the founder of Katie Hardy Unlimited. Today we're going to talk about what does it take to be a great student leader. One of the things that I've done over the last 12 years was look at the characteristics of what does it take to be a great student leader. We're going to talk about today 5 things that will allow you to master yourself. 5 things that when people look at you, they automatically know that you are a leader. The first thing that we're going to talk about is a spiritual foundation. And when I say spiritual foundation, what I mean is, as a leader, the spiritual leaders the great spiritual leaders, they were all known for serving. As a student leader, when people look at you, do they see you as a great servant? Do they see you as a great servant? The second thing that allows you to master yourself and to become a great leader is a strong belief in yourself. As a student leader, when people see you, do they see a person that has a strong belief in themselves? Or do they see somebody that's wavering? As a leader, you have to show a strong belief in yourself and that you can accomplish the goals that you set for yourself. That's one of the things that a strong leader does. He believes in himself, which allows other people to believe in him. The third thing you want to do as a leader is you want to show self-discipline in all areas of your life. You want to show self-discipline in your spiritual life. You want to show self-discipline in your education. You want to show self-discipline in your physical life. As a leader, you want to show great self-discipline in all areas of your life. Because as a leader, if you want people to follow you, they have to see that you exemplify self-discipline in all areas of your life to the best of your ability. The fourth thing that allows you to become a great leader is when people see that you consistently do the things that are important. When people see that you do things that are important in your life, they say, that guy's a great leader, or that young lady is a great leader. When they see you consistently doing your schoolwork and you're getting the results you're looking for, they say, that young man or that young lady is a leader. When they consistently see that you're ethical and that you have integrity, they say that young person is a leader. So you want to do things consistently in your life that shows the great characteristics of being a leader. The fifth thing that you want to do, and I feel like it's the most important thing as a leader, you have to show people that you utilize your time wisely. This is one of the most important things as a student leader that you can do. Because if other students see that you utilize your time in a way that's effective and efficient, they're going to do the same thing. So you want to utilize your time wisely, because one thing that we can't get back is time. So as a student leader, you want to definitely utilize your time wisely. Now, these 8 things allow you to achieve excellence in school and life. These are some of the things, I won't say some of them, but we will cover these things once you call me into your school. We will help them master themselves, then we will help them achieve excellence in school and life. It was great speaking with you today. My name is Kerry Hardy, and I'm the founder of Katie Hardy Unlimited. Thank you.